In Australia, products containing asbestos were manufactured and used for much of the last century, most commonly in cement products, such as piping and sheeting. It's estimated that over 6.4 million tonnes of asbestos legacy products remain in our built environment. The two main manufacturers of asbestos products in Australia were James Hardie and Wunderlich. The consumption of asbestos peaked in the 1970s, before a rapid downturn in the 1980s due to growing concerns about serious health risks. Asbestos was finally banned in 2003. Australia contains over 260,000 kilometres of water and sewerage pipes. Of this network, at least 45,000 kilometres, 17%, is made from asbestos cement. In the 2 decades after the Second World War, asbestos cement sheeting was often used in the internal and external walls of suburban houses. In the 1960s, up to 25% of houses were clad with asbestos cement sheeting. James Hardie marketed asbestos cement sheeting under a range of names, including Fibrolite, while Durabestos was a popular Wunderlich product. Asbestos cement roofing was recommended for many residential buildings, including houses, garages, boat sheds, barns and dairies. Asbestos was also used in flooring and lagging products, and car parts such as gaskets and brake pads. Will we always have this legacy to deal with? Without significant intervention, asbestos will remain with us for at least the next 90 years. Phase 3 of the Asbestos National Strategic Plan will focus on practical approaches for safe removal and disposal.